Lost in thought, I'm tripping. Oh, I'm wishing I was feeling different. Looking for a reason why this feeling keeps on coming back to me. It's hurting me, disturbing me. Thought it was a warning. Looking for clues to see the truth, but it was just deceiving. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for.
Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair, Candy, and More, here with your Cocotique March 2025 beauty unboxing. So as you can tell based on the thumbnail, we are here to unbox the March 2025 Beauty Takeover box. So I hope you guys are here for it. You all know that Cocotique is a self-care, curated monthly beauty box, specifically curated for women of color by women of color. So I'm excited to be here today. This is a monthly subscription box that I have been blessed to receive since 2019 and later becoming a brand ambassador with the company. I absolutely love Cocotique. So I like to get started by sharing what I like to refer to as the love note. In each box that you receive, there is a beautiful message from the CEO and founder herself, kind of detailing what's in the box for you. And then, of course, on the back, there's a breakdown of the itemized contents of the box and what their retail value is. So as I stated, this is a monthly beauty box subscription. It runs for $30.99. There is no additional tax or shipping and handling fees. It's just a flat rate of $30.99. Now, the reason why I've been with them since 2019 is because they have one of the best rewards programs, which they refer to as Cocoa Hearts. And the reason why I love and enjoy this company so much is because there's so many ways that you can earn Cocoa Hearts. If you are, for example, like myself, a content creator, and you're sharing the amazing products on your social media platforms, you can share your link, your referral link and code there, and your friends and family can take full advantage of shopping with Cocotique and saving off their first box, and you will be rewarded with Cocoa Hearts. The Cocoa Hearts can be used to purchase boxes, okay, of more product. So that's one way. You can share your link via text, via word of mouth. Social media is the best way though, because you can get it to a mass audience in minutes, and who doesn't have Facebook, Instagram? A lot of people are still on Twitter, YouTube, TikTok. There's just so many ways that you can share your love, right? So you earn Cocoa Hearts that way. Also, each year on your birthday, they give you a nice bank of free Cocoa Hearts. Now, the reason why I love those is because let's say I really enjoyed the February box and I wanted to repurchase it. I could do so using my Cocoa Hearts, and all I have to pay is shipping, which I think is about $7.50. Otherwise, you're going to receive a box each month, flat rate $30.99, and I can assure you that each month the products are well over that value retail wise. So without further ado, we are going to jump right into reading the love note. That's always my favorite part, and it reads as such. Cocotique In Love Beauty Takeover Box. Indulge in a luxurious hair care experience with the Cocotique In Love Beauty Hair Care Box, curated for those who crave deep hydration, nourishment, and effortless styling. This exclusive collection features high-performance formulas infused with coconut milk, aloe vera, designed to enhance your hair's natural beauty while keeping it healthy and lush. Whether you're looking to strengthen, define curls, smooth frizz, or restore moisture, this box has everything you need to elevate your hair care routine. Perfect for all hair types, these Luxe products will leave your strands feeling soft, strong, and beautiful. Treat your tresses to the love they deserve. Your journey to gorgeous, healthy hair starts here. Hugs and kisses, Dana. That is Dana Hill Robinson, founder and CEO. Oh, she always just goes the extra mile when it comes down to the love note. I so enjoy that. So, as you can see, the products come in this beautiful reusable tote. It's just a canvas tote. They always have a beautiful self care affirming message on the front. This one says, self care always matters. Cocotique. Hashtag self care in a box. Isn't that beautiful? So let's get into the contents of this month's box, shall we? I am going to just add another camera so that you all can see them. All right. So right now I have it on the card. Let's move that. So let's take everything out one at a time. So here, look at, I love the packaging. Look at that. This is the In Love Endless Axe Curl Definition for dry textured hair. All right, so we're going to put that there where y'all can see it. Notice these are full size. Full size, guys, not samples. This is the In Love Moisture Rich Conditioner. All right. You can see that there. That is the full size. Wow. The next item is the In Love Not Ever, not as in KNOT, Moisture Crush Detangler. Full size. Y'all, I am a naturalista. However, as a former licensed cosmetologist, I enjoy a wig every now and again. I'm rocking my mini twist underneath. So this is always great. You can never have too much natural hair care. The next item, of course, is going to be your Moisture Crush shampoo. Okay, as you can see, that is full size. Let's put that there. And last but not least, ooh, look at this pretty bottle. This is the In Love Growth Goddess Hair and Scalp Oil, Rosemary, Biotin, and Rice Water. Ooh, now that sounds like some really nice ingredients. And I just love the packaging. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to go to the back of the card because, again, remember, our beauty box is $30.99. It says, Cocotique is a deluxe subscription beauty box curated for women of color. We help you discover the best in beauty, self-care, wellness, and lifestyle products. We're all about reminding you to love yourself, embrace your magic, and prioritize your self-care. Don't forget to share your love and let us know how you like the products on social media. We are going to start with the Growth Goddess Hair and Scalp Oil. This unique formulation is a potent blend enriched with the natural essences of rosemary and organic rice water to nurture your hair, stimulate growth, and enhance your curls with added length. It revitalizes your hair follicles, tames split ends, and soothes dry scalp. This is the full size, 1.5 ounces, and it retails for $9.99. All right. Next up, we have the Not Ever. Can y'all see that? The Not Ever Moisture Rich Detangler. This is coconut milk and aloe vera. It's not just a detangler, it's a hair savior that restores health, reduces breakage, and leaves your hair smoother and shinier. This is the full size, 12 fluid ounces, and it retails for $10.99. So we are already at $20 for those two items. Let's see, the next item is going to be the coconut milk and aloe vera endless acts of curl definition, which was that first item. And its description reads, this thick, great smelling formula is made with all natural ingredients like coconut milk and marula oil to give you the hydration, definition, and lasting shine you need. This is the full size, 10 fluid ounces, and it retails for $9.99. So we are already at $30 for our $30.99 beauty box. The next item is the coconut milk and aloe vera moisture crush conditioner. That is this item here, the moisture crush conditioner. This power-packed formula is infused with rich avocado and argan oils, making it your ultimate solution for soft, smoother, and stronger hair. Bid adieu to brittle and dry hair and welcome a life of hydrated, happy tresses. This is the full size, 12 fluid ounces, and it retails for $10.99. That is going to put us right at $41. All right, and then the last item is the coconut milk and aloe vera moisture crush shampoo. Indulge your hair in a luxurious treat with the coconut milk and aloe vera moisture crush shampoo. With its special formulation for curly hair, this product marries the nourishing power of honey and raw shea butter to gently lift away dirt and excess oil from your scalp. This is the full size, 12 fluid ounces. Retails for $10.99. So that puts us right at $52, guys, for your $30.99 beauty box. So this is such an excellent deal. And again, they encourage you, don't forget to share your love and let us know how you like your products on social media. And they, of course, list Facebook, Instagram, X, formerly known as Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. Because again, you can earn Cocoa Hearts. So I absolutely encourage you to take advantage of my referral code. Nightbot has been dropping it periodically throughout the chat, and it's also listed in the description box so that you can save 10% off of your first order using my code. I am Pandi of Pandi's Hair Candy and More. I want to thank you all for tuning in for another Cocotique unboxing. And if you'd like to see more Cocotique, definitely check out my Cocotique and Me playlist here on my homepage. Until next time, guys, continue to stay safe, stay encouraged, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.
Up for the morning, tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. Tell me why it has to mess my night up, even on my nights off. I can't even rest up for the morning. I'm worked up on my free time. Supposed to